In this episode, I'm going to talk about the life of a criminal case. Your first hearing is called an arraignment. It is strictly a procedural hearing where the court explains to you your constitutional rights and the charges that the district attorney's office has filed against you. It is at that hearing we enter a not guilty plea, and then we set a future hearing, which is the next step in the process. The next step in the process after arraignment is a settlement conference. It's at this hearing where we informally meet with the district attorney and request all discovery, which is police reports, body-worn camera, videos, witness statements, all of those things. We usually have a number of those hearings. And it's at these hearings that the case will usually resolve by way of a plea bargain once we have all of the evidence against the defendant. If at the settlement conference the case does not resolve by way of a plea bargain, the next step is to set a preliminary hearing. This is a hearing where the prosecution must prove to the court there is a reasonable belief a crime was committed and that the defendant committed the crime. It's a very low standard. For example, at trial, you're presumed to be innocent. The prosecutor has to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, but at preliminary hearing, that's not the standard. There's an old joke that a prosecutor could bind over a ham sandwich at a preliminary hearing, meaning a ham sandwich doesn't commit crimes, but a preliminary hearing burden is so low that we can say the ham sandwich did in fact commit a crime. After the preliminary hearing, if the